G'day! In today's video I'm replacing the broken back camera glass on a Note 20 Ultra 5G. I'm going to cheat and just use this part out of an aftermarket one. So I'm curious how much I will need to modify for this, or if I'll just get the glass out of it. But to begin with, I'm going to get the back cover off. I have had it on my heat pad here at 75 degrees Celsius. And I will use a metal pry tool, some isopropyl alcohol, and this is going to make the job of getting in there much easier. So I'll start on this side. If I can get that just in the groove there. There we go. And carefully slide down and back. Distort it around the corner. There we go, and I'm starting to get lift already. So isopropyl does make this job rubbing alcohol, isopropyl alcohol makes this job considerably easier. Same with heat. So with that out of the way, can have a look. And I can see I do have to swap over a bit there, so I reckon I'll go ahead and try that. So I'll use this again. Just go around it. Now if you do scratch the back, it is actually paint. So the back of of this is paint. So it's painted onto clear, or at least the S series is. Maybe not this particular one. Now if I push this up, should be reasonably durable for me, like that. Go, move some of that broken glass out of the way, push it down, get that adhesive back there. Now I can move that out of the way. Now I'm focusing on this part. So there is a little bit of swapping that I need to do, which hopefully with the heat will make this achievable. Move him over. Move that one over too. So this is a different colour, but I'm more concerned about maintaining the dust proofness, waterproofness of it. There's a little pad here. Okay, move him over too. This one. This will be one of a few different ways you can replace it. Potentially be able to just replace the outer layer of glass, where you'd pop out all the glass over here. You could just replace the back cover, but I do find the aftermarket covers to be weaker. And you could attempt to replace the outer glass without taking it off, period. So there are a few different ways you can do it, but this is just the method I've chosen for this, just with the part I had on hand. I think this will get the best potential outcome overall for this one. I'm not sure if this is glued on. The LED diffuser. It's come off with the seal. Brilliant. That's exactly how you want it to come off. Or at least the adhesive. And lastly, I've got this microphone one to swap. Okay, move him to there for the second. Take this off. Put him there. Grab this little bugger. Spin him around. Put him there. So that's all that gear swapped over. Now it is a different colour, but as I said, that's all I've got on hand at the moment. So if I put that in here, the original adhesive should be enough. to stop it. Could put a bead of glue around there, or you could just replace the double-sided adhesive, your choosing. I'm happy with the amount of volume of adhesive that's still there. There we go, that's swapped over. And now I just need to put it back onto the back of the phone. So I'm going to heat this up now. I'm going to put a bead of adhesive, just because that's not quite tacky enough for my liking. So I'm just going to run a little bead just around, just enough that seals it. There we go. Flip that over, push it down, clamp it around. And one swapped camera module. Hope that helps, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.